Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in California: Butte, Glen, and Tehama. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Tehama County in Northern California, Northwestern Butte County in Northern California, Northeastern Glen County in Central California, until 4:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:55 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Orland, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Orland and Hamilton City and Interstate 5. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in California: Butte, Glen, and Tehama.